Hello friends, welcome to our channel Brain Alive. In this video, we will study negative clamper. In case of negative clamper, positive peak of the input signal is shifted downward and it touches the zero level. After negative clamping the input signal, a DC level of minus Vm is introduced in this signal. The shape of the shape of output signal after negative clamping is same as that of the input signal. As the peak is as the whole wave is shifting in downward direction, in negative direction, that's why it is called negative clamper. In this case also, the RC time constant should be very high to have the same wave shape as that of the input signal. Now we will analyze the negative clamper. This is the input sinusoidal wave that we are applying at the input of this negative clamper. Now during positive half cycle, this terminal is positive and this terminal is negative. So this diode will be forward bias. And in case of forward bias, it will act as a short circuit. So the equivalent circuit will look like this one. In this case, we can see this terminal is positive and this is negative. As input signal is at its peak, so here the voltage will be Vm, and because up to this cycle, up to this positive peak, capacitor is fully charged up to Vm because the diode conducts heavily, so it is charged up to Vm. So at this instant of time, the output wave will be equals to Vm, this Vm minus this Vm, because this is negative, polarity is opposite in this case. So output voltage will be equals to 0. We can also find out in this loop by using KVL. We are drawing output waveform with red. So up to this point, the output will be equals to 0. So output wave will look like this one. Now beyond this positive peak, from this period to this period, from this period to this period, the diode will be reversed bias, because as this capacitor is charged up to Vm, with this polarity, so here the voltage, this is negative and this negative is connected to this P region, and this is the negative voltage because this is negative. So here the voltage is much more negative than this one because it is positive peak, so voltage here is much more negative than this side. So this diode is reversed bias and it will act as an open circuit. So equivalent circuit in this case will be look like this. So this is positive and this is negative during positive half. So at this instant of time, the input is 0 volt because it is 0. So input is 0 and this is charged up to Vm with this polarity. So the output will be equals to input signal, that is 0, minus this Vm, that is equals to, this is minus Vm. So in this case, the output wave will look like this. This is Vm. Now again, during negative half cycle of the input signal, this terminal will be negative and this terminal will be positive. As this terminal is negative, so the diode will be reversed bias and the diode will act as a open circuit. In this case, the equivalent circuit will look like this one. So this is negative and this is positive during negative half cycle, and this capacitor is charged up to Vm, and this is open circuit during negative half cycle because the diode is reversed bias. So the direction of the current will be this one. So in this case, the output will be equals to this minus Vm and this minus Vm. We can also apply KVL in this loop through RL. So we can find this output voltage, that is equals to minus 2 Vm. This minus Vm and this minus Vm. Now the output waveform will look like this one. This goes up to minus 2 Vm. Here goes up to minus 2 Vm. Again, when we apply positive half cycle, this is positive half cycle. When this cycle is applied up to this peak, up to positive peak, the diode is forward bias and the equivalent circuit will be this one. positive peak, so this is positive and this is negative, and the diode will, this capacitor will be charged up to Vm. So the output voltage at this instant of time will be equals to V output equals to Vm, because this is positive peak and this is charge up to Vm. So this is minus Vm equals to Vm minus Vm equals to 0 by applying KVL. So at this instant of time, the negative, this touches negative. Again beyond this point, beyond this positive peak, the diode gets reversed bias due to the same reason as we have explained, because this negative, this P region sees negative Vm, negative voltage, that is more negative than this. So again in this case the circuit, the equivalent circuit will be this one. So the output voltage will be equals to minus Vm. Now the output waveform will look like this one here. Now again during negative half cycle, this is negative, this terminal is positive, so it will be reversed bias, and this circuit, the equivalent circuit will look like this. Here the voltage is minus Vm because it is negative peak, and this is already charged to Vm. So in this instant of time, the voltage will be equals to, output voltage will be equals to this minus Vm plus this Vm, that is equals to minus 2 Vm. So the output waveform will look like this one. Again the cycle will follow this path. Now the voltage, output voltage in this case in negative clamper will be this one. We can see this is DC shifted by minus Vm, and the positive peak of this wave, output waveform, touches the 0 axis, means x axis. So it is shifting, it is shifted downward in negative direction. So this clamper is called negative clamper. After this instant of time, the output waveform shows a steady state response. The overall response of the negative clamper is this one. If you got the concept of negative clamper, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.